Yo guys, we're doing the Forgotten Ridge ranking, let's go. Alright, Citadel of Peril, but it's a steeple and I don't like this so much. Lava Rising is too annoying, I'm giving this one a 0 out of 10. Yes, tower traps, but it's a steeple. Too much traps in this tower, but not worse than Tower of Traps. I'm giving this one a 0.7 out of 10. What the worst Citadel ever in the game. Floor transitions. Yeah, that's the only reason, and it uses tiles from rings 1 to 3, which isn't that bad. And the gameplay itself isn't bad too, but the Citadel itself is bad. Giving this one a 1 out of 10. The tower is fun, but there's lots of walking simulators which make this bad. There's also this part at the end, thanks for playing, which is kind of hard for an easy, but not too hard though. And it's so quite annoying. And this is so bad. What I mean by so bad, it's 1 out of 10. Not too bad for a steeple like this. It has a harder gameplay. Yeah, for the first 3 floors, and the last 2 floors gets easier. And this can be quite good for your first intense. However, despite being not so bad, I'm giving this one a 2. I find this not so bad at all, even though I'm giving this one a 4, but this is actually kind of good. I'm giving this whatever I said here. Not too bad though. But there are several traps in this steeple. This is kind of okay, 5 out of 10. Not too bad, not too bad. And yes, this isn't good for your first Remorseless. You know the reason why? It's because it has insane difficulty gameplay. Unless if you want to boost your skill. However, the creator did good at making this, but not the best Forgotten Ridge tower. I'm giving this one a 6. I'm gonna be including this one for the ranking. It's a good non-canon tower, not very bad. I hope your memories don't fade. 6 out of 10. I kinda like this tower. And it also can be good for your first intense. Not much to say, but this is a 7. This tower is good. Not too bad, not too bad. I like it so much. 7.5. This tower isn't dangerous at all. The gameplay is also fun. I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. This can be quite good for beginners, especially if you're doing this as your first steeple. However, the challenge is so bad. Overall for this steeple, I'm giving this one a 9. Not too bad, but easier than Steeple of Pursuit. And this can be good for your first hard tower. The creator did good at this. I'm giving this one a 9.1 out of 10. Not too bad. This is actually very good. And this can be quite good for your first difficult too. However, this is a 9.3. Yes, a tower that isn't classic. This is alongside the next tower we're going to rank. What I mean the next tower is the last tower. This can also be good for your first soul crushing if you like difficult mechanics. But you need to practice more of this part and this part. However, this is a 9.9 out of 10. Now we have the very best tower in Forgotten Ridge. It also doesn't use classic gameplay. The gameplay is good, but the outside section is However, this is a 10 out of 10. I hope you have fun, but see you at Garden of EToH ranking.